If your feet is darker than the rest of your body, here is how to treat it.
Go girl.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today, I'll be showing you how to remove foot discolorations because most people are doing it wrongly. If you have a dark feet, here is one thing I need you to know. Dark feet is not just dirt or dryness. It's particularly caused by buildup of dead skin cells, friction, and uneven skin turnover. So for you to get rid of your dark feet, you need to pay the same attention you pay to your face on your feet. And how do you do that? Well, I've actually taken my time to build you guys like a step-by-step routine to get rid of your dark feet and brighten it up. So this is not just a guesswork. In fact, this is something that have been tried, tested, and confirmed to work. So you will definitely see results when you use this. So step one is to exfoliate. If you have a really dark feet, you need to start exfoliating your feet 2 or 3 times weekly with this lotion pure the loom cleanser. All you basically need to do is to soak this on a cotton pad and use the cotton pad to clean your feet. Take your time and use it to rub on those areas that are very dark. In fact, rub it all over your feet, and you need to ensure you apply this 2 to 3 minutes before you go in to take your shower. That way, this is going to help dissolve off your dead skin cells without you using a physical scrub and struggling with those dark discoloration on your feet. Like, just use this, apply it all over, and it will help you get rid of those dead skin cells or any buildup of dead skin that have refused to renew itself. So this is actually a good treatment product that will help to exfoliate your feet and get rid of all those dead skin cells that is preventing your feet from glowing. Now, do not apply and leave this on for more than 5 minutes. Like, you can do 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes at most in your night routine to avoid over exfoliating your feet and causing dryness. Now, for those of you that can lay your hands on the lotion pure de loom cleanser for exfoliating their feet, you can simply opt in for this the ordinary glycolic acid toner. Works amazing. In fact, it works similar to the lotion pure de loom. It will chemically dissolve off your dead skin cells without you exfoliating or aggressively scrubbing your skin. Another product that I can recommend for gentle exfoliation on your feet would be the Medicube Pure Shirts, the one with kojic acid and turmeric combined. Just apply this like you would like your lotion, and it's going to help you with those dead skin cells as well. Immediately you're done exfoliating, you can go ahead, get into the shower, and take a proper shower. Immediately you're out of the shower, the next product you will need is a treatment product. And sincerely speaking, I've tried a lot of treatment products for dark feet. You can use any product that brightens the skin. But one product I am here to recommend for you guys is this advanced clinical C glow toner with vitamin C and ferulic acid. This is the product right here. See, this one comes in a spray bottle. Honestly, I got to know that this can tackle dark feet because this was not compatible with my face. I think I was reacting to the level of vitamin C in it at some point. So my face was feeling tingy or having that peppery feel. So I had to discontinue this because the percentage was too much for my face. So I started using this on my face, and you guys can see like this is already empty. This is one product that is going to help you brighten up your feet. All you basically need to do is just spray this on your feet, like spray it on those dark feet immediately you're out of the shower when your skin is still damp or wet. Like, don't let too much water be on your feet, just dry it down a little and ensure that it's still damp. Then go ahead and spray this Advanced Clinical C Glow Toner. The vitamin C and ferulic acid in this is very much effective to tackle, brighten, and get rid of your dark feet. This is the exact treatment product you need to have if you're struggling with a discolored feet or dark feet. It's going to even out your feet, like it will give you an even toned skin. You will see your skin looking brighter in a matter of weeks or a week even. I started noticing that this advanced clinical toner was very effective, I think, within the first week of using it. So this right here does brighten up your dark, dull looking feet. It will nicely treat your dark feet and give you a nice glow, as long as you're removing those dead skin cells that have built up on that area. This toner is everything. You guys know that I don't just come on here to plug you guys to products. Like when you try out something I recommend, you will definitely see results. And that's one good thing I love about my channel, because I did not even want to make this video at some point. But after recommending this routine that I'm showing you guys right here for one of my clients, and she was so happy, I had to come on here and film this. Like, this is everything. This is everything you need to brighten up that dark looking feet. Take it from me. Like, you don't need to go and be buying expensive product. Just get this. So all you have to do is to spray this on that dark feet after every shower, and you're good to go. Allow it absorbing by itself for like a minute, and the next step would be to go in with a good moisturizing lotion. See, you can use any lotion that you're using in your routine to apply on that area, okay? But if you really want to see the best results, just use a nourishing body lotion, like a good moisturizing lotion that will hydrate and nourish that area. You can use lotions like CeraVe moisturizing cream, or if you want to be on the safe side, you can get this O'Keeffe's foot cream. Like, this is another product I paired it with for a client, and it seriously worked for her. So pairing the Peau de Lune with the advanced clinicals and this O'Keeffe's as your moisturizing foot cream is one way that you will brighten your dark looking feet and achieve that nice, beautiful, glowing, even toned, clear feet. Yeah. So one thing you need to know is that you really need to be moisturizing your feet. Ensure that your feet is not always dry. Like, after applying the moisturizer and you want to be extra, you can go ahead and wear like maybe all those nylon foot cover or something. Put your leg in that nylon foot cover, and then allow it for 5 minutes to penetrate. That way your product, you are ensuring that your product is penetrating on a deeper level. But if you're not extra like me that you don't know, but if you're not that extra, you can just apply this and ensure that your feet is properly moisturized at all times. Because once you have a dry feet, those dark areas or discolorations that you have will not really go away. So you want to ensure you are moisturizing your feet properly immediately you're done spraying that toner. Like, the toner will even help to keep your feet hydrated. So adding that moisturizer or the foot cream on top is an added bonus to ensuring that your skin and the products you are applying work effectively. Now, there's a secret step I usually recommend for most of my clients. That's if you can afford it or you're not on a budget. So if you're not actually on a budget, I'll usually advise or recommend you get amlactin lotion, the 12% lactic acid one, and use this like 1 or 2 times at night in your nighttime routine on days you're not using the Peau de Lune cleanser, okay? Because both of them exfoliate, so you don't want to be over exfoliating. See, what this amlactin lotion does is it goes deeper to even your skin and gradually fade those discolorations or uneven skin tone and make your foot also look smoother. So that is the essence of this one. But you can just use those three products I mentioned earlier on its own and you're good. But if you want to be really extra or you want to get a faster result, add amlactin 1 or 2 nights and you will definitely see your feet looking bright and glowing. Now, I need you guys to know that as long as you're trying to brighten up your feet, you need a good sunscreen because most people usually skip sun protection. You need a good sunscreen like La Roche-Posay or the Bondi Sand sunscreen or any other sunscreen of your choice that you're using. Ensure you are applying it on your feet in the daytime because you don't just want to move out there and come back again with another darkness. Like the sun is not your friend when you're treating your dark feet. So ensure you are protecting that feet from sun exposure. If you're not wearing socks or maybe a cover shoe, just apply a good sunscreen and you're good to go so that you will not reverse the results that you will get from this product. So I believe this routine is easy. Like you only need 3 or 4 products in your rotation to tackle your dark looking feet. Let's summarize this routine so that you understand it properly. Now, for your daytime, you can exfoliate using this Pew de Lune cleanser. Like if you use this in the day, don't use it at night again. So exfoliate with the Pew de Lune cleanser or any other exfoliant of your choice. Then go in with your brightening treatment like this advanced clinical C Glow toner. And immediately after that, apply your foot cream or your moisturizing cream like the O'Keeffe's foot cream and finish up with a good sunscreen for your daytime routine. Now, like I mentioned earlier, if you exfoliated in the morning, you can choose to exfoliate in the day or at night, whenever it's convenient for you. If you're not exfoliating during the day, just spray the toner, apply your foot cream and your sunscreen, and just go. But if you already exfoliated in the day, there is no need to exfoliate at night. So if you're exfoliating at night, follow the same step like you did in the day routine, but this time skip your sunscreen, and that is simply it. If you want to be extra, seal up with a Vaseline or occlusive. That way you ensure you lock in moisture, and do this like few hours before you go to bed so that your products don't get to rub off on your bed sheet. So use this Pew de Lune 2 or 3 times weekly in your routine and use your amlactin 1 or 2 times at night. Okay, don't go and be exfoliating every day. You can be using the advanced clinical toner and the foot cream on a day-to-day basis and your sunscreen, but please, for the amlactin and the Pew de Lune, just 2 3 times weekly is enough. You don't want to over exfoliate your skin to become dry and ruin the result that you're trying to achieve. So always ensure your foot is well hydrated. If you want to be extra, you can get like a foot mask and use a foot mask at night or in your daytime routine or on weekends whenever you're free. And you can also as well soak up your feet in vinegar or do food treatment and all of that. I hope today's video was very helpful. Ensure you try out this routine if you're really struggling or battling with dark feet, and you will definitely achieve a nice, beautiful, bright, glowy fit. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and don't forget we offer a one-on-one skincare consultation section. Just in case you don't know the right products to use on your skin, you can book our one-on-one consultation section by sending us a DM on Instagram at minibeauty_, and we will help you create a routine to treat your skin. If you got up to this point, you're the realest MVP. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.